Time and time again, I get a lot of messages from people who are just starting out, who can't seem to get any sales, or who are just struggling to get any sales. So in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and talk about how to make sure that your target audience is correct and how to make sure that you're not overpriced. Or I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do to make sure that my target audience is correct and I'm not overpriced. So I haven't been posting as often as I was just because I was remodeling the office, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna be posting a little bit more frequently now that I'm finished. And if you guys have any particular questions, if you guys wanna see any certain video done, just leave it down in the comment sections and I'll be making videos based off what you guys leave there. So again, if you guys have any particular video you wanna see or any certain question that you want answered, leave it down in the comment section. So let's get right into it. Here's the thing. I haven't seen anybody else talk about this, or I haven't heard anybody else talk about this or just mention this. So this is something that I feel like it's new. I've been doing this for 3 years. I just figured it by myself, or I was just doing it by myself, and I've just been doing it ever since. So what I'm about to show you is not gonna work if you guys don't do any product research. So this is not gonna work if you guys just wanna have a random product and test it out. So what you wanna do is you wanna grab a product, then you wanna go ahead and advertise it on Facebook and have it for 100% free. So everything, free shipping, free everything. So when you do that, a couple of things happen. Your pixel starts getting information, so it's a good thing. You start seeing if you're targeting correctly or not, because if you can't get sales on a free product, you're obviously not targeting correctly. And you're also seeing if you're too overpriced. So if you're overpriced, obviously you're gonna get sales when the product is for free, and all you have to do is just play with the pricing and adjust it and whatnot. So the reason this works really well for me is because I'm able to see if I'm targeting the right audience. So what some of you guys do is you guys start split testing or just run campaigns and overprice the product and not get any sales, no add to carts, or even get no link clicks. So doing this, that's gonna eliminate all that. You're basically gonna see if the product has potential or not. Because if somebody is not willing to order the product that is 100% free, they're not gonna pay for it, or they're less likely to pay for it. So in doing this, you identify if this product has potential or not. Again, this only works for products that you've done your research for and that you know have possible potential. This doesn't work for any random product that you find, because you're just gonna be spending money if you do that. This is why I say make sure that you do your product research beforehand before trying this. So I know a couple of you guys might have some questions, and hopefully this helps answer them. And that's, what do you do when somebody actually places an order? Do you ship out a product, or what do you have to do there? So what you do in that case is when somebody places an order, you don't ship out anything. That's the first thing you do. You don't ship out anything. You just wait 2 days or a day and then just email that customer and tell them, hey, I'm sorry, we ran out of this product. We won't be able to ship it, or we won't be able to fulfill your order. And most of the time they're just gonna be a little bit annoyed because they filled out, or they were expecting this product and they're not gonna get it. But you're really not gonna get into any big issue because you're not asking for any credit card information. You're not taking any money away from them or anything like that. So that's what I do. I make sure I email them 2 days later, tell them, hey, I ran out of this inventory, and don't ship them anything. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that you're not gonna run this campaign for days. You're not gonna run this campaign for 6, 7, 8 days, no. This is gonna be a short $10 campaign or $20 campaign, depending on your budget. And obviously, if you're getting 5, 10 sales, you could just cut it because you know that the product's gonna perform. But if you're not getting that many sales, just let it run the full course. And that's pretty much what I do when I wanna test out a product. And keep in mind, again, I can't stress this enough, don't try this with any random product. Make sure that the product has potential, because if it doesn't have potential and you're just trying it out, you're just gonna burn through a lot of money. So that's pretty much it for the video. And if you guys have any other suggestions for videos, make sure to leave it down in the comment sections, and I'll be making videos based off what you guys leave there. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.